Oh, like a piece of pipe right there. Fell out while he was trying to load me right there. He couldn't have set that in there. He tried. Now he's gonna have to try to get it out. That thing's heavy. There's no way.